Good afternoon. My name is Juliana Martinez. This time I come to explain the items that correspond to me. License option. The license options are only temporary license. They consist of a reservation of the result for a limited time. The reservation might or might not be exclusive. It is used in those cases in which the company wants to validate the technology before making the decision to acquire it. In this case, the company will be granted one month of optional license to the company that acquires the technology in order to ensure that the software is efficient and reliable. Option per license. Determination of the license through across different alternatives which are shown by the science member of the company. Right of first refusal. Hetrial is having through the diversification of the negotiation tools allowing the company have to several options with the same negotiation. Scope of license. This general condition of the company grants clients the right to the use software. The license of use grants the clients the right to use software as a service, software as a service asset, through the site web, entering a username and a password that gives access to the are private. That is those the specialized program in billing, account, and tests for freelance companies and consultants via internet, nor in with their own. Thank you.